Alright guys, this is a quick video on the best ways to get rid of bad crap. Now this stuff sets like concrete. Okay, you can be scrubbing at it with cold water all day, so simple trick is paper towel over the top, jug of hot water, just pour a bit of hot water on there, just let it sit. Only takes a minute or two. The idea is to soften it up. Just add a little bit more. As it softens it up, it'll be easy just to wipe it off. You can see. If you try to pick it off or scrape it off, you could end up damaging your paint job. As you can see, with a bit of hot water, just softens it up. It's bloody hot, and just wipes it off. If you don't get to it soon enough, like I've just done here, and I've left it for a couple of days, you can actually see what it does to the paint job. It'll actually eat through the paint. Okay, so there's a quick tip for getting it off.